All right, let's create other one window, make line by press L button and create straight line, create like this. Okay, now let's make line on top area with same method. After it, push the wall to other wall and join it with other wall and make it one wall like this type. Now the window area, perfectly done. So the next work is to add windows. So I would like to add sliding windows. Also a big ventilator window in the right area of house. Let's import the windows and fix it between gaps. Click S for scale. All right, make the copy of the window by holding Control button and press M button. Now move the object and release the Control button. Then you got a copy of object and put it perfectly on window area. It's easy peasy. You make scale a little bit more. Yeah, looks pretty. Let's make a copy again and rotate it 90 degrees and move to window area. Put it here and scale it a little bit. Again, woo, yeah, we finished window work. Let's add the door. Okay, so all these assets I'm downloading from SketchUp Warehouse. You can find any asset in SketchUp Warehouse. It's free extension. You just need to click window option and click to 3D warehouse option and search anything you... All right, look at this house. This looks shit pretty. Now we have big window ventilation and a single frame fixed window. So let's import it from warehouse. Okay, this window area basically is inner area, so let's rotate it and move it inner side. Window is too big, descale it a little bit and fix the size perfectly. Let's add other big ventilation window. It's so tiny. Rotate it by 90 degrees. Move the window. Scale the window higher. Higher, it looks like wall panel. This is modern ventilation method. Mostly this big window ventilation used in factory. Residential houses also in modern house. Now make copy of this window and scale it a little bit. Also fix it in wall. All right, we've done our full exterior modeling in SketchUp. Now the turn of adding texture and making it more realistic, also making walkthrough of this house. If you like this video, subscribe to the channel, break like button. All right, I add texture in some area pending. So let's add texture. You can see in my left there is paint icon. Click on it and look on the right side. You can see here, texture, just select any texture you want and put it on object. Like this, I'm doing. If you have any doubt, comment me below, I will solve. Let's add some hanging light in balcony area. This hanging lights look so good for this house. All right, our exterior modeling done. Our exterior texturing done. Our walkthrough done. But why you fucking not subscribe my channel? Subscribe it fast. Come on, it's free. I will meet you in the next tutorial of SketchUp. For now, goodbye. Thank you for watching. Also, please comment below. What can I improve for my next video tutorial? And what type tutorial do you want?
Thank you.